welcome once again sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Maaga pang nagsimula yung aking hapon dahil may nakita akong comment na ano daw, ang OA ko daw at ako po daw ay, anong word yun? Hambugera, ano yung word? Ano yun? Sabi ko sa'yo kanina. OA daw ako at ako yung hambugera. Hambugera, hindi hambugera yung term na ginamit niya eh. Yung mayabang. Sabi niya mayabang daw ako. Hindi ko alam saan ako banda nagyabang. Marami na nagrereklamo sa akin kasi wala daw akong kafinis-finis, parang ano daw, taga-kanto. Wala akong pakialam actually kung ano man yung sinasabi ng iba sa akin. Ang importante, alam ko yung intention ng puso ko. Ayan. Wala talaga akong pakialam guys. Sabihin man nila sa akin mayabang ako. Kasi hindi naman totoo. Bakit naman ako magagalit, 'di ba? Bakit naman ako affected? Tsaka bakit hindi ko naman ipagmamayabang yung buhay ko na meron akong 4 na magaganda at napaka-cute na kulot? At bakit hindi ko naman ipagmamayabang yung mga kapatid ko na mahal ako? Pwede naman natin ipagyabang yan. At bakit hindi natin pwedeng ipagmayabang na nakaligo tayo ngayong araw? Yung mga konting bagay na pwede natin ipagmayabang, why not? Yun lang yung kaya nating pagmayabang, di ba guys? Katulad ngayon, magyayabang ako na may benta kami dito sa Mayumi. Mga positive naman. Siyempre, kahit sa maliit na bagay, yung iba hindi masaya or feeling niyo mayabang yung iba, masaya kami doon at proud kami. Depende kasi yan sa mindset ng tao na nakikinig Merong iba na yung naririnig nila, ginagawa nilang motivation, ginagawa nilang inspiration, ginagawa nilang pang-push para sa kanila na to do better. Pero merong iba na masyadong bitter at masyadong negative na yung mga success ng ibang tao at yung mga naaabot or nagagawa ng ibang tao, ginagawa nilang negative at sinasabi nilang kahambugan, masyadong mayabang. Hindi naman ganun guys, no? Let's be happy for other people. Let's be happy for other people's success regardless kung gaano man yan, kababaw or kataas. Kasi our success is not your level of success. Kaya, let's be happy. Happy lang. So, ngayon, nakita nyo naman, ako ngayon ay nagpakulay pula dahil pulang-pula po yung aking puso at pulang-pula yung aking dugo dahil monthly period. Nag-monthly period, positive. Okay, anyway, nagpa-change ako ng kulay ng buhok, guys, kasi napanaginipan ko kagabi na pula yung buhok ko pagkagising ko. Pagising ko hindi pula. So, pumunta ako dun sa salon. Nagpapula ako ng buhok. Kaya ayan, sana ay maganda at sana at okay naman. Sabihan nyo ako kung anong tingin ninyo. Of course, shout out dyan sa Hime Salon dito sa Jensan kay Ma'am Princess na may-ari ng salon. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal ninyo sa akin every time na bumabalik ako sa inyong salon. Guys, ang galing po ng kanilang hairstylist dyan. Look for Sir Alfred. Ang galing-galing po ni Sir Alfred magbagay ng mga kulay, ng gupit. Siya din po yung gumupit sa akin last time. So, maraming salamat. Hime Salon. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Princess. And, ayan na guys, ang kanyang overall look. Sana okay. At sana masaya kayo na maaga pa akong nag-celebrate ng Valentine's Day. Ayan. So, ngayon ako ay mag-prepare na para sa aking pagre-reels dahil alas 3 na ng hapon. At dahil meron kaming gagawin for the next 2 days, kailangan naming mag-prepare ng aming ipopost online. Alam nyo naman yung ating business, mabilis lang tayo sa online. Pero maraming salamat pa din sa lahat ng nag-walk-in sa tindahan namin. Nagsabi nga yun si ma'am na, "Ma'am, ang hirap naman hanapin ng tindahan mo." Sorry po mama kasi manifesting pa kami na sana next year magkaroon kami ng better space. Pero sa ngayon, we are grateful kasi peaceful yung aming lugar at saka safe dito sa Mayumi Thailand Closet. Ayan, so I'll see you guys on today's episode. Hello. Where's Chico and Caldy? Where's Mayumi? Hi. Oh, wow. You're so sweet. Oh, you're taking so long?
Yes.
Why?
He got a black head. It looks like a cut tattoo star. Looks like that. It's beautiful. It looks like in the movie that the other people got colorfully hair.
And you like my hair?
Yes, it's black.
Is it black or red?
It's red.
Eh?
Red.
It's red.
And the inside is black.
Red also.
Look. What's in here is black.
You like it?
Yeah. Mom, what did you bring?
Coins for your bank.
Where?
It's here. Get your bank. I have some coins.
Yeah, even you got some present.
Wait lang. 2 for you. And 2 for Calbi. Where's Calbi? Give to Calbi. 2. 3. And 3. There. Wow. Drop it and fill it. Nice. Oops. Good job. Yeah. Drop it. Yay. How was your school? Fun.
Mom, I'm gonna black head.
Alright. And it's time for us to read a story. What story are we reading tonight?
You got a new phone.
No, I just removed the cover.
Why?
Because it was too thick. What story are we reading tonight?
We are reading the Ant and the Grasshopper.
But can we sing Bahay Kubo first?
Oh, not again. Always Bahay Kubo.
Because we practice. You're going to
Yeah,
sing it
but
on the stage. Hey, be careful with the book, please.
But
Okay.
it's too much.
Okay, I'm going to read the story, The Ant and Grasshopper, then we will ask questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready na? Okay. Chico, my question is, what color is the grasshopper?
Green.
Don't say. Chico, what color is the ant?
Brown.
Brown, very good. Calvi's turn. Where do you think the story happened?
It happened by the shop.
By the shop.
By the store.
Store?
Yeah.
Isn't it in the forest or in the garden?
It comes from the winter.
From the winter. Chico, what falls from the sky when it's winter? What falls from the sky when it's winter?
Winter.
Very good. What falls on the sky during winter?
No.
Very good.
Calbi.
Calbi. Calbi, your turn. Who was watching? Chico. Who were watching when the grasshopper and the ants were talking?
The bee and the ladybug.
Very good. Next, you question mommy.
Mommy. Why is the grasshopper only wants to play?
Because he is lazy.
Good job.
Chico, question. Who do you want to become? The grasshopper or the ant?
The ant.
Very good. How about Calbi? Who do you want to become? The grasshopper or the ant?
I want to become the bee.
The bee? You want to become the bee?
Yeah.
Okay. What does
Mommy,
the...
no, I don't want to be an ant. I will be a bee and I'll be a ladybug.
And you will be the ladybug.
And I'll be the ladybug.
And Calvi is the bee.
Yes.
And the ladybug said what?
The ladybug said, blah, 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 blah.
And the bee said what? Very good. Good job for today's story. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Another morning na naman dito sa Mayumi Thailand Closet. At maaga pa ako today kasi nakipag-transact ako dun sa aming potential na bagong space. O, diba? Nakaka-excite na magkaroon ng bagong space yung Mayumi kasi talagang lumiliit ata itong office namin. Lumiliit ata itong aming closet, guys. Lumiliit or dumadami yung aming stocks. Alhamdulillah. Masaya ako and God is blessing us for our first 7 months here in Mayumi, Thailand closet. Syempre, masaya ako at talagang tinangkilik kami ng mga tao. Though, meron din kaming mga negative feedback. Of course, hindi naman talaga maiiwasan yan kasi you can't please all the customers naman. Pero at least 97% talaga ng aming mga customers ay nasisiyahan at nagugustuhan ang aming mga benta from Bangkok, Thailand at konting benta from Vietnam naman. So, I am very happy na talagang binabalik-balikan kami guys ng mga customer. At hindi lamang siya local customers na dito sa Pilipinas, kundi yung mga taga-abroad. At meron din kaming mga foreigner na bumibili talaga dito sa amin. Siguro dahil sa tela, sa tahi at syempre sa sizes. Kasi yung mga sizes namin dito guys, ang tatak kasi ng Bangkok, Thailand na mga dresses, most of them ay free size. At talagang madaya siya kasi kunyari small ka, pag sinuot mo maganda pa rin tingnan. Kung extra large ka naman, kasyang-kasya din sa'yo. Nakikita nyo naman, minomodel ko din yan. Gumagawa ako ng reels sa Facebook na suot yung mga damit. And so far, so good talaga yung feedback ng tao. So, right now, I want to take this opportunity to talk to you guys about opening a boutique store. So, marami sa inyo yung nag-comment sa akin na, Madam, uuwi na po ako ng Pilipinas, galing po ako ng abroad, gusto ko muna mag-start ng negosyo, I feel like gusto ko din yung pagbubutik. Having a boutique business, guys, lagi kong sinishare sa inyo na kahit anong klaseng business, basta sigurado kayo na alam nyo, wala pong problema. Basta sigurado kayo na may knowledge kayo, wala pong problema. Kasi, if ever, magsa-start kasi ang business sa'yo as may-ari. Magtatapos ang business sa'yo as may-ari. Kasi ikaw as may-ari ang may alam ng lahat ng expenses mo, ng lahat ng capital mo, ng lahat ng worries mo for your business. Yes, sobrang importante ng mga staff sa isang negosyo. Sobrang importante ng mga employee. Pero if the owner of the business is not there, I don't know about you guys, pero we have an experience before na nag-business kami na wala kami on the ground and all those business failed. So, for me, it's very important na pag nag-business kayo or nag-isip kayo na magnegosyo, make sure na maha-hands-on ninyo. Make sure na maaalagaan ninyo as owner. Another thing about starting a boutique business is, syempre, dapat ready ka sa kapital. Kasi, pag sinabi mo kasi, minsan iniisip natin, konting kapital lang meron ako. Okay lang naman yun. Pero, for long term, you are paying more expenses, lalong-lalo na sa shipping fee, sa courier, sa manpower na magdadala ng mga supplies mo. So, it is just smart, for me, once again, it's my opinion, it's just smart for someone to start a small business na meron kang at least na capital na 50 mil or 50,000 pesos pataas. Kung kaya mo ng at least 100,000 pesos, why not? And then, roll that money around. When we say roll the money or rolling the money, kung ano yung benta mo, ibalik mo agad sa business mo. Kung ano yung nabenta mo today, ibalik mo agad sa supplier mo. Huwag mong patutulugin yung pera. Okay? Kasi I do remember, if you guys can remember, I started selling clothes when I got back here in the Philippines sa bahay namin na pinatirhan sa akin ng kapatid ko. I was there by the kitchen selling. I was there by the kitchen taking photos on the mannequin na hiniram ko lang sa ate ko. So, lahat yan guys, nag-start talaga ako from scratch. But right now, I have this small space that I call Mayumi Thailand Closet sa Facebook page. Ito po yung Facebook page namin. And we have over, right now, nag-start lang kami guys ng 200 stocks, to be honest with you. 200 stocks lang talaga, or 150. And right now, we have like a total of 1,000 stocks or more dito sa aking business after 7 months. So, maganda naman talaga siya na negosyo and I encourage others to start. So, meron ding mga bashers na nagsasabi, all the businesses I had failed. So, why do I keep on encouraging people to start business? How will you know that you will get the business if you won't even start? Right? Let's try to not mock other people's courage na mag-try ng something, na magpasok sa mundo ng business. Kasi kung hindi mo papasukin yan, hindi mo malalaman kung saan yung weakness mo at saan yung strength mo. Okay? And I do believe na yung people na nag-channel ng fear nila to other people is because they cannot even start it on their own. They cannot even do the thing that you do. That's why they try to channel that fear. They try to channel that discouragement in life sa ibang tao. So for me, yes, I have discouragement, but I have also my ups. And I am encouraging people to try. I-try ninyo guys, kasi hindi nyo talaga malalaman. For me, my passion, I'm not an artsy person. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa art. Okay? Hindi ako mahilig sa art, hindi ako patient sa art. I am not into music like some of my sisters. I am not into art like Madam Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe, who does an amazing pieces of cross-stitch. Okay? Alam ko sa sarili ko na magaling ako magbenta. And I am very good in selling things that I use. I'm very good in selling things that I wear. And I am very good in talking to people. So, for me, alam ko, this is my line. Kaya nga, lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na I will only open business na gusto ko talaga. So, like I told you guys, so far so good. Happy naman ako sa Mayumi Thailand Closet. My family has been supportive, extremely supportive since day one, and I am always grateful to them. My mother has been very supportive. My children has been very supportive. Dinala ko dito yung mga anak ko kasi I want them to understand what mommy is doing when I am not at home. And this morning, guys, Calby told me something that really broke my heart, but I understand that my child doesn't understand yet. Eto sasabihin ko sa inyo ha, Calby is a different kind of smart. He's a different kind of smart. I received a very sincere message from the teacher, private message. The teacher told me, Mommy, I just have to mention this one. Calby is so smart. And I am very, very, it made my day. It made my day na talagang nag-take ng time yung teacher to appreciate how smart Calby is. And when I'm telling smart, guys, I'm just not talking about book smart. Calby is inquisitive. Calby is observant, extremely observant. And he might look like he's not listening. He might look like he's not understanding what's going on around him, but believe me, he does. So, today, this morning, alam niyo ang sinabi sa akin ni Calby because I was not home for 1 day or 2 days. 1 night and 2 days. Calby told me in the car na talagang kinirot yung puso ko, guys. Sabi niya sa akin, Mom, it is not right for you to just leave the people who loves you. Guys, hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ako makahinga. Kasi nag-out lang ako ng 2 araw, isang gabi to do something with my sisters, to rest my body, to bond with my family, and that's what my child told me. Yun ang sabi sa akin ni Calby sa car, hindi ako makapaniwala. Sabi niya, and Calby and Chico told me, Mom, we love you so much with all that feeling. And of course, Chico can only say those words, but Calby, guys, he can communicate extremely well. And for Calby to tell me, look me in the eyes, hold my hands while we were in the car going to school, to tell me na, Mom, it's not polite for you to just leave the people who loves you. It's not even the people I love, but the people who loves you. Kasi daw mahal na mahal daw ako ni Chico at saka ni Kulot, na hindi daw talaga tama na hindi ako matulog katabi nila. So, I don't understand the feeling. My heart is so happy. At the same time, my heart is so sad that he doesn't yet understand that mommy needs some time alone sometime. And I need some time with other people as well. Kasi I'm not only a mother. I'm not only a businesswoman. I have my own, I have myself. I have my own goals for myself. I have my happiness as well as a person, as an individual. Ilabas muna natin yung pagkananay ko, yung pagiging kapatid ko, yung pagiging provider ko sa bahay, but yung sarili ko lang talaga. My mind and my heart tells me to do things for myself, and I really want to do it this time kasi I was not able to do it. So I promised myself that this year is gonna be spontaneous for me to try things that I was scared of trying, like making my hair red. Kasi maraming tao yung nag-discourage sa akin before na red will not look nice on me. I don't care if it will not look nice on me, but I want the hair, I want that red hair. So talagang gitry ko talaga siya, guys. And finally, I tried it. And finally, I can sleep at night knowing that I tried it. I did something, and I'm going to share with you guys on the next episode. I did something that I did not expect of doing, and it has been amazing. It has been unforgettable, and it's just a very overwhelming experience for me and my sisters. But I'm going to share it with you guys, so wag niyong i-miss yung next episode natin. Once again, maraming salamat po for sticking with me and the story of my life as a single nanay ng aking 4 na kulot, half African, half Filipino children, si Kuya Kahil, si Kulit Kulot, si Chico Chico, at of course, my only daughter, Mayumi. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo, sa blessings ninyo, for those nice, kind, and sweet messages. Maraming salamat po kung nasaan man kayo sa mundo. And sa mga bashers and haters namin, it's okay. You can continue bashing, you can continue on hating, but it will not change who I am as a person. It will not change who I am as a mother. It will not change who I am as a sister and as a friend. So once again, guys, maraming salamat. I love you very much, and I hope to see you guys on the next incoming stories of our life. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love from Princess Yiga.